Moving on to the other big story that we're tracking, the youth wing of the Congress has staged a massive protest against the land acquisition bill in the national capital. Hundreds of youth Congress workers took out the protest march from Rajghat to Gherao the parliament. Senior party leaders Jairam Ramesh, Sachin Pilot, Oscar Fernandes and Raj Babbar led the charge against the land acquisition bill passed by the Lok Sabha.
See, I have certain things which I have discussed regarding the parliamentary proceedings. I will not like to discuss now, but briefly I will tell you I had come here in connection with this issue which has been agitating the curiosity. So nothing much in this. Whatever we have to say, we have told.
So the opposition members have said that they deny that other people like Mrs. Gandhi and others were asked these questions. How would you respond to this? They're saying Mr. Moily wasn't asked, they're saying Mrs. Sonia Gandhi wasn't asked. So how would you respond to that?
You see, I will not like to enter into a discussion at this juncture, but suffice will be to say that this has been a practice since long. The performa, in fact, was revised as early as in 1957. It was revised in 1987, then it was revised in 1999. So it's a fairly old practice, and it is done with the motive of ensuring maintenance of public order and safety and security of important persons in the city.
Sir, last question. Sir, your former colleagues have said that there is no such performer and they are seeing this entire exercise of snooping or surveillance, whatever you may want to call it, as idiocy.
You see, Delhi Police is a very big organization. Large number of activities take place during the functioning of Delhi Police. Certain activities are routine activities, and they may or may not come to the notice of the top man. Even in this case, the performance had been made and they were being maintained. This came to my notice only after this matter became somewhat controversial. Otherwise, so I don't blame my predecessors for not knowing that such performance were there, because there are too many things. So the person who is heading the organization invariably will be busy with the policy decisions and major issues confronting the organization or for crisis management. So I'm not surprised that my predecessors were not aware of this very elementary routine activity.
Sir, Rahul Gandhi himself has been an MP since 2004. Yours says that it's routinely done. Has he filled this performer before? Please, if you can clarify for us.
I will not like to go into the details, but fact of the matter is that we do it in respect of we have certain, because now I've also gone deep into this issue. There are certain, basis for doing this, but there is nothing sinister.